Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will show you how to create a navigation bar using HTML and CSS. And I will explain everything in details. So let's start the video. And here, let me just create an HTML file here. So I will press Ctrl+S to save the file and let's name it navbar.html. And I will create another file and that is for CSS. So let me create. Now I will press Ctrl+S to save it, and here I will save navbar CSS or navbar style, let's say .css. And here I will say HTML and press tab, and it will complete the structure for us. In the head section, under the title, we will say link. And here in reference, hrefs, I will say navbar style.css. Now I will add navigation bar. So let me just add it. So to add a navigation bar, we have to use a tag here, and that is called nav. So I will say nav. And to do CSS for the nav, I will give it a class, and let's name it nav class. And inside the nav class, I will say, let's say I want to add 3 menu. So to do this, let me just add UL here. And inside UL, I will say list. And in the list, we will add 3 menu. So here, let me just copy it 3 times. And here I will say home, products. And the last one is contact us. Now go to the browser and let's see how it looks like. So open in browser, you can open it from here, and you can see we have 3 menu, but these are as list. So we have to do CSS for it. Let's say I want to see these items in a row. So let's go to the style sheet here, and in .css, here we will access the file. To access the class, you have to press dot here and then class name. So the class name is nav class. And here I will say I want to show it as in a row, right? So to do this, I have to say here display flex. So it will actually display or show my all the menus in a row. So here we have to write display flex. So I have to write here flex wrap. We actually forcefully want to stop it. I mean, it will break down when it access the row. And now I will say here justify content center. So justify content center will be centerized my elements, I mean menus. So now if I go to the browser and refresh it, and here you can see we are in the center of the web page. But as I mentioned that I want my all the menus in a row. Do CSS for UL because they are in UL unordered list. So here we will say display flex. Now go to the browser and refresh it. Now you can see they are in a row, but there is a problem. As you can see, we have the list sign here, dot sign, right? So we have to remove it. So let's do CSS for it. And here I will say list item, I mean list style, none. Now go to the browser and refresh it. And here you can see all the list item gone. We need space in between these list items. So we have to do CSS for the list. So here, go to the list. You have to access the list, and let's say we will say here padding should be 10 pixel. Let me just remove it. We don't need extra space here. So if I go to the browser and refresh, and you can see we have space in between them, right? Okay, done. Now let's just add background color so that anyone can understand, okay, this is nav bar actually. So we want to give color in the background of the nav bar. So go to the nav bar class. Here I will use a background class. So I will say we have an attribute called background, and here we can use RGBA or RGB color. So I will use RGBA. So what is RGBA? RGBA means red, green, and blue, and alpha. Alpha means opacity. Like you don't want to, show the actual green color, but the opacity, you want to decrease the opacity so that it looks very beautiful, right? So let me go to the browser, and here I will go for RGBA color picker, and let's just search it. And here you can see we have a link here. Go to the first page, RGBA color picker, and from here we will copy the color. So actually, which color you want, it depends on you. Let's say I want to add this color or this color. Okay, just copy it from here and go to the code editor and just paste it here. So this is the value for red, this is the value for green, and this is the value for blue, and this is the opacity. So now go to the browser, and if you refresh it here, and you can see we have a nice background color for the nav menus. You can change the nav menu items color, I mean the text color. So to change it, you just have to say color white. Let's say I want to add white color. I mean, I want to see them as white color, in white color, not in black. So if I refresh it now, you can see my text color has been changed. Now let's say I want to add hover effects on it in home, products, and contact us, so that when we hover something, then we can understand that, okay, we are in this menu. So here I will say UL hover or list hover. So let's add hover on list. So I will say LI colon hover, HOVER, hover. And then here we will say if hover, then background color should be, go to the color picker and pick the one. Okay, let me just add this one. Now copy it and go to the code editor and paste here. Ctrl S to save the item. And now go to the browser. Here you can see when I hover on it, background color changed. Okay. Now this is look like a nav bar, right?